All right, so yesterday we started our discussion about how fractions show division. And we know that the division symbol is just a fraction bar. So the dot on the top of the division symbol is standing for our numerator, and the dot on the bottom of our division symbol stands for our denominator. So remember, our numerator is our top number, our denominator is our bottom number. And always remember that Miss Houchins says a fraction is just a funky looking division problem. So a division problem, we normally see it horizontally, and we've just flipped it vertically. Remember, we're talking about what is being shared is on the top. That is our numerator. And who gets the items being shared or what they're being shared through is our bottom number. So 5 students in the science club prepare 4 circuit boards for a small satellite called a CubeSat. If they share the work equally, how many circuit boards does each student prepare? So we're going to draw a picture first. So here are my 4 circuit boards. And I remember from my problem that 5 students are working on these. So I'm going to split each one into fifths. So I know that each little sliver stands for 1/5. Now, if I count through, that's going to mean that each student is going to do 4/5 of the circuit board. So what does the expression 4 divided by 5 represent? And that represents, on the top, the number of circuit boards being shared among, and the bottom number is students. So our fraction will read 4/5 because there are 4 circuit boards shared among 5 students. 5 friends share 6 small bags of popcorn. If they share the popcorn equally, how many bags of popcorn does each friend receive? So let's ask ourselves, what are they sharing? Or, I'm sorry, who is sharing it? There are 5 friends. Now, what are those 5 friends sharing? They're sharing 6 small bags of popcorn. So if I make my fraction, what are they sharing? They're sharing 6 small bags of popcorn. Who is sharing it? 5 friends. So my answer would be 6/5. And we know that that's an improper fraction because our numerator is bigger than our denominator. 12 friends shovel snow from 8 identical driveways. If they share the work evenly, what part of a driveway does each friend shovel? So what are they sharing, or what are they splitting up? They're splitting up those 8 identical driveways. Who is splitting them up? 12 friends. So if we make our fraction, they're splitting up 8 driveways between 12 friends, so 8/12, or 2/3 if we reduce it. An audio engineer divides 9 feet of cable into 2 equal sections to connect a pair of speakers. How long is each section of cable? So again, we ask ourselves, what are we splitting up? We're splitting up 9 feet of cable. How are we splitting it up? We're splitting it up into 2 equal sections. So if we make a fraction, what are we splitting up? 9 feet of cable. How are we splitting it up? Into 2 equal sections. So 9/2.